Karakoram is a highway which connects Pakistan with China, and it has three passes, three mountain ranges. What are they? The Karakoram, the Pamirs, and the Himalayas. There are three mountain ranges through which Pakistan is connected with, through which Pakistan is connected with the China. So what are these three mountain ranges? The Karakoram, the Pamirs, and the Himalayas. It crosses bare mountains, a cold desert, and squeezes past deep gorges that drop hundreds of meters to rivers below. So when you are crossing the passes, what you will see when what you will see the bare mountains. What are the bare mountains? The mountains on which there is no grass and there is nothing. The mountains are totally rocky. That mountains are called bare mountains, जहाँ पर बिल्कुल कोई grass नहीं होती, वहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं होता. तो there when you are crossing the passes, what will you see? You will see bare mountains, a cold desert. I have told you that desert कौन से areas होते हैं जहाँ पर जो है एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत ज़्यादा वर्स्ट होता है. वर्स्ट कैसे होता है कि या तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी या फिर वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा शदीद सर्दी होगी. So when you are crossing these passes, so you will cross the bare mountains, a cold desert, a desert where is very cold and squeezes past deep gorges that drop hundreds of meters to rivers below. And you will pass a deep gorge as well, जो है hundreds of meters क्या होगा, rivers के बिल्कुल नीचे होगा. Okay, and then it passes tiny villages where people grow wheat on small patches of soil. And when you are crossing these passes, what you will see the tiny villages as well. छोटे छोटे आप लोग गांव भी देखेंगे, और वहां पर उन गांव में क्या होता है, where people grow wheat on small patches of soil. So the villagers used to grow wheat किसको कहते हैं, गंदम को हम जो है जिससे आटा बनता है, that is called wheat. So the villages used to grow wheat in these tiny villages on small patches of soil. छोटी छोटी सी जो है उनके पास जो है लैंड होते हैं जिसके ऊपर they used to grow wheat. They collect wood from the trees to make fires to warmth and for cooking. And what do the villagers do? वो जो है wheat grow करते हैं villages में, और जो है जो वहाँ पर उनके trees होते हैं, उनको trees को cut करके क्या किया जाता है, इन trees को cut करके they use that wood, that wood which they take from the trees uh, for warming themselves in winters, के जो है winters में वो जो है वो उस wood को जलाएं, विंटर्स में उस वुड को जलाएं ताकि जो है उनको उससे जो है गर्माहट मिले, वार्मथ मिले. और इसके अलावा दे यूज दैट वुड फॉर कुकिंग पर्पज एज वेल, बिकॉज इन द विलेजेस देयर इज बहुत ही मुश्किल से आपको किसी विलेज हाउस में जो है कोई चूल्हा दिखेगा, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन द विलेजेस स्टिल यूजेस वुड्स टू डू देयर कुकिंग. वुड आग जला के फिर बाद में वो अपनी कुकिंग करते हैं. तो what do they how do they use wood? They use, when they collect wood from the trees, they use it for warming themselves and for cooking purpose. Can you think of other ways that the villagers use wood? आप कोई और बता सकते हैं कि जो है wood और कैसे यूज की जा सकती है villages के लिए? They can make their furniture with the help of wood. और इसके अलावा क्या हो सकता है, एक तो उन्होंने अपने आप को वार्म करने के लिए जो है wood यूज कर ली, दूसरी इन्होंने जो है कुकिंग पर्पस के लिए wood यूज कर ली, and they can also use wood for making their furniture as well. Okay. So here now on page number 25 we have a picture, a wooden bridge near a Himalayan village. So we can see a wooden bridge कि जो है एक जो है बड़ी सी वुड रख दिया गया है एज अ ब्रिज, ताकि जो है आप इसको क्रॉस कर सकें, कि जो है बीच में जो पानी है आप उसको क्रॉस कर सकें. तो कैसे क्रॉस उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने जो है बहुत बड़ी जो है ट्री को कट करके उसका जो है पूरा वुड था उसको they have made it as a bridge to cross that Himalayan bridge. The Himalayas and the Karakorams have two of the highest mountains in the world. So the Karakoram mountain and the Himalaya, these two mountains are included as one of the highest mountains in the world. The diagram shows how they compare with high mountains in other parts of the world. So here we have a diagram that shows that there are many different kinds of mountains in different parts of the world. North America first is North America, and its mountain is called Mt. McKinley, and the second mountain is in South America, which is called Aconcagua, and the third is Europe. In Europe, it is called Elbrus, and in Africa, uh, it has Kilimanjaro, and in Asia we have Mount K2 and Mount Everest, and in Oceania we have Jaya. So these are the different kinds of mountains all over the world, and we have given the and it has also given and we have also given the height of they have also given us the height of these mountains. That so can you tell me which is the highest mountain in the world? In the world, the highest mountain is in Asia, which is the Mount Everest, and after Mount Everest the highest mountain is Mount K2. After Mount K2 it is in South America, Aconcagua. And after South America, we have the highest mountain in North America, which is Mount McKinley. After Mount McKinley, which is the highest mountain? After Mount McKinley, we have in Africa Kilimanjaro, and after Kilimanjaro it is Jaya, and after Jaya it is Elbrus. So these are the mountains and their heights.